In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create community chats in Messenger and Facebook groups. 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up and personalize a group chat so it feels welcoming, organized, and unmistakably yours. Start by opening your browser and heading to facebook.com. Make sure you're signed into the account that manages your group or community. On the home page, look toward the top of the screen for the Messenger icon. Click it to open your inbox and recent conversations. From here, choose the group chat you want to work with. If you manage a Facebook group that has an associated community chat, select that conversation so your updates apply to the right audience. You'll know you're in a group when you see multiple members listed in the header. Next, open the chat settings to begin customizing. Depending on your layout, you might see a small eye icon, a gear, or a customize option in the sidebar. Click through to the customization area where all the appearance and identity controls live. Let's start with the name. Choose change chat name and give your conversation a clear, memorable title that reflects the purpose of the community, something like Book Club Monthly Picks or Neighborhood Volunteers. Consistent naming helps members instantly recognize what the chat is for. Now update the photo, select change photo, then choose select a file from your drive. Pick a clean, high contrast image such as your group logo, a simple icon, or a representative photo. Square or circular friendly images tend to crop best. Aim for something recognizable at a small size, since that's how it appears in the chat list. With identity set, fine-tune the vibe. Choose change theme to switch the chat's colors. Pick a palette that matches your group's branding or simply improves readability. A balanced theme can make long conversations easier on the eyes. Next, set the primary emoji. Change emoji to choose the default reaction icon members will use most often. This little detail adds personality and can reinforce the tone, celebratory, informative, or just fun. Finally, edit nicknames. Use edit nicknames to help members stand out or reflect roles like moderator or coach. Keep it respectful and consistent so people feel recognized without confusion. Remember, updates like names and nicknames typically post a small system message visible to everyone, which is great for transparency. That's it. You've opened your chat, customized its identity, adjusted visuals, set a signature emoji, and clarified member names. These small tweaks make a big difference in how your community communicates. Save your changes, and you're ready to host clearer, more engaging conversations.